Hello and welcome to the Moon Project. July 25th, Fight the Flat Earth is going to have its start on this project with over 2,000 participants all over the world. The same day we'll have Gary on Isle of Wight, Carl Edwards in South Africa, Grønvold in Australia and myself in Norway. And we're going to take pictures of the moon to show the location and rotation. If any of us is unable to take pictures, we would be happy to have more people on board. So any help would be appreciated. There's just 4 easy steps and all of them can be done with a cell phone or mobile phone. Step 1. We need a picture of the moon. Just zoom in as best as you can with the cell phone. We don't need a perfect picture, we just need a rotation. Keep the phone as level as you can and in landscape mode, not portrait mode. Step 2. We need your location. Just find a map and take a screenshot. The location will not be revealed. That will be mine and just mine, and I will delete it afterwards. Step 3. We need the compass bearing to the moon. So just either take a screenshot or just note the bearing in the mail. Step 4. The inclination. There's plenty of apps now that can measure the angle upwards toward the moon. So just point at the moon and note or take a screenshot of the inclination. That's it. And then just send it to me on globetommy@gmail.com. After that, I will take all the observations and put them in 2 models. One globe model and one flat model. And then we will see what fits best. So again, if any of you have a possibility to contribute to this one, it will be much appreciated. And as long as Fight the Flat Earth has 2,000 participants, we can at least hope for a few more than us 4. Hello and welcome to another windy day here in Eidsvoll. Now it's just a week left to the Moon Project, and so far we're just about 20 people on board. Not quite the amount of people I wanted, but still better than the 4 of us. So I appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to divide this into 2 different observations. One from Australia, Asia, Africa and Europe, and the other one from the United States. This is of course because there's a big rock in the way, so we can't see the moon at the same time. If the Earth was flat, we should be. But I got some local times, and some apps I want to recommend. Not required, but recommend. So let's just see what we got so far. The first app is Dioptra for Android phones. And this seems to have just about anything I need. We have direction and inclination and yeah, some other stuff. What it doesn't seem to have is the location. So in addition to this one, I need the screenshot of where you are. Other than that, it seems to be quite okay. This picture from Where's Wally showed the moon using this app. And just to be a little picky, I need, if you can zoom in just a bit more and have it a little bit darker so I can see the rotation. That's just about it. Other than that, it's perfect. There's also a whole lot of other apps that can do, I guess, pretty much the same. But Dioptra is free and seems like a great way to start. The other app is Theodolite for iPhones, but this is a $6 app. So again, no requirements, just a recommendation. And this seems to be just about the same as Dioptra. With the here you also have location and direction and inclination and everything. How this works, I have no idea. But again, there is no requirements. And again, for iPhone, there's lots and lots of other apps. And just what I need is, again, the location, direction and inclination. So I think it's pretty easy to find for most people. The moon phase for July 25th is here, half moon. That will be at 3:18 a.m. in the night. So to find what time we should do this, here is again, July 25th, 3:18 a.m. I need to find the time from where both Australia and Norway can see the moon at the same time. And then again, another few hours later, so United States can see it. And so for the times. And it seems like I have to be up at 3 a.m. in the night or morning, because then the moon is in between Australia and Norway, Europe, Africa. So it seems like it's going to be early morning for many of us, but if you can do this just for this one time, I will be much appreciated. So July 25th at 3 a.m. the moon will be between Australia and Norway and Africa. At the same time, it's 11 a.m. in Australia, in Sydney. This is the local times for Oslo and Sydney. I will paste these links in the description so you can figure out for yourself just when and where this is. Because I cannot find a time for every single one of you across the time zones. But it's 3 a.m. in Norway and 11 a.m. in Sydney, Australia. Hopefully you'll figure this out. And then some hours later, United States. This is for Kansas City. I just found the city that was closest to the middle of the states. And then it will be 8 a.m. local time in Kansas. So again, the time zones, I'm just going to paste this in the description. And you just have to figure out the time zones for yourself. Just make sure that the moon is right where it is here, not over here or over there. Just figure out so it fits this picture. And the same with this one, it fits just over here. It does that with both Sydney and Oslo. The moon is in the same spot. So if you go to America and find your city here, and just figure out the time for the moon to be here at the same spot. That's it. Sorry, but it's in the morning. It's 8 a.m. I have it 3 a.m. It's 11 a.m. So I totally understand if you find it hard to be up in the middle of the night, but this is what it needs to be. Sorry about that one. The wind was picking up, so I had to see cover. The microphone on the phone just blew out. But anyhow, it's still a week to go, and hopefully there will be more people on board. You'll never know. And again with the apps, no requirements, just recommendations. And the iPhone app with $6, I don't... If anyone chooses to use it, it will be okay, but again, no requirements. I'm still going to use just my, as I showed in the last video, the camera on the phone, and I know my own location, so just do it as you please yourself. Location, direction, inclination, and the picture. That's it. I don't know if I will have more videos about the project until the day, but anyhow, see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.